If you are interested in a career as a cloud and DevOps engineer, but you don't have the required experience, don't worry. I have a simple guide to help you transform your skills in 6 months. All you need is dedication and determination to pursue this high-paying role. To gain the necessary skills to become an AWS Cloud engineer and secure a job, you must complete these 4 learning phases in this order. Failure to do so may hinder your progress and success in this field. Therefore, make sure you prioritize and fully commit to each phase. In the first phase, you must complete some introductory courses and certifications. Begin with the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner course to gain the foundational knowledge of AWS services, security, architecture, pricing, and support. Pass the Certified Cloud Practitioner exam once you have completed the course and you are comfortable with the information. Next, take the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate course to gain knowledge on designing applications and systems on the AWS platform. Next, pass the certification exam once you have completed the course and you are comfortable with the information. To successfully wrap up this phase, enhancing your technical skills by taking courses focusing on Linux, Git, and a collaboration platform like GitHub will be highly beneficial. You should learn Linux because the cloud has many servers that operate on Linux because of its high security, stability, and efficiency level. By taking a course on Linux, you can thoroughly understand this operating system and learn how to navigate directories, use the Linux command line prompt, perform shell scripting, and run the Linux commands. In DevOps, Git is an important version control tool that allows multiple engineers to work on the same project at the same time without any issue. Taking a course on Git will teach you how to manage and track different versions of your code, resolve conflicts, and collaborate with other engineers effectively. Collaboration platforms like GitHub and Bitbucket are crucial in storing, sharing, and reviewing codes. They integrate seamlessly with Git, making them the virtual tools for cloud and DevOps engineers. By taking a course on GitHub, for example, you can learn how to use various features such as creating and cloning repositories, making pull requests, merging code changes, tracking issues, conducting code reviews, and working collaboratively. By the end of phase 1, you would have learned the foundational knowledge of AWS, Linux, Git, and collaborative platforms like GitHub. These are all crucial skills that AWS Cloud and DevOps engineers use daily, and they form the building blocks for your successful career transition. Once you have completed these courses and certifications to build your foundational knowledge on AWS, in phase 2, we are going to get our hands dirty by completing some real-world projects. In this phase, it is important to mention that you must only use the AWS Management Console to complete these projects. First, you will deploy a dynamic web app on AWS using an EC2 instance following the reference architecture provided. Once that project is completed, you will deploy the same dynamic web app on AWS using Docker, ECR, and ECS Fargate following the reference architecture provided. Finally, you will deploy the dynamic web app on AWS using Kubernetes. By the end of phase 2, you will understand how to configure various AWS services using the Management Console. In phase 3, it is time to learn some important DevOps automation tools. In this phase, you will use Terraform to deploy the dynamic web app from the EC2 instance, Docker, and Kubernetes projects in phase 2. Additionally, you will deploy a web app on AWS using Ansible, and you will use Python to automate various AWS-related tasks and solutions. Finally, you will deploy a dynamic web app on AWS using CI/CD pipelines. By the end of Phase 3, you will learn how to use various DevOps tools such as Terraform, Docker, Ansible, and Python to create resources on AWS. Additionally, you will gain knowledge on how to build CI/CD pipelines. In Phase 4, with all the skills and experience you have gained from completing the course and projects, it's time for you to build your resume and begin your job hunt in the exciting world of AWS Cloud and DevOps engineering. Following the phases and completing the project in the outline sequence is crucial to increase your chances of getting a job as a cloud engineer. You cannot skip any of these phases. In order for you to build projects using the management console, first you need to know what you are building. That is why taking the foundational courses and certifications is very important. Before you create resources on AWS using Terraform, Ansible, or Python, first you must understand what those services are and how to configure those services using the management console. And before you start applying for jobs, make sure you get all the necessary skills required to be a cloud and DevOps engineer. This is why you can't skip any of these steps. By remaining consistent and dedicating enough time to this plan, you will significantly increase your chances of landing a job as a AWS Cloud and DevOps engineer. This is the same method that I have taught numerous people, helping them transition from various backgrounds to becoming cloud engineers. If you are interested in my mentorship program, please check out the link in this video's description. There you have it, a 6-month plan to transform you into an AWS Cloud engineer with no prior experience necessary. If you have any questions, please leave your comments on this video, or you can use the information in this video's description to email me. Thank you, I wish you all the best, and I look forward to hearing from you. Bye.